In this video, we are going to go over how to upload a document to an apprentice's profile. When you log into Illinois workNet and click on the Customer Support Center, it will take you here to the Groups page. Any group that you have access to will show here. Click Apprenticeship Illinois. It will take you to the Customers tab, which lists all of your apprentices. Click on the last name to open the profile. Under the Participant Summary Tools, click on the Uploads button. This has opened up an Uploaded Documents modal. You can filter to see the number of entries per page. You can use the search box to search for a specific upload. You can use the up and down arrows to filter by file name, description, category, uploaded by, uploaded date, and remove upload button. Before we get started, I would like to point out that the description is really important because when a user comes in here to look at the uploads, the description will tell exactly what was uploaded. So let's go ahead and click Upload File. You do not want to upload any files that contain the customer's full Social Security number. If you need to upload a document with that information, please black out that information and then you can upload the document. So you'll want to select a category and you'll want to choose the file from your desktop. And then you'll want to put in the description. And then once all the information has been entered, click Upload. And here you'll see the new document listed in the Upload section.